Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install Canon LBP 2900 here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar, and from here, please type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. Now, once you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, before you proceed, please navigate to the description box below. You would be able to see a link there. Please copy it. And once you have copied it, please proceed at the Windows search or address bar and press Ctrl V to paste. Once you have pasted the link, click on enter so that you would be redirected to the result. So you would be able to see a website which is Canon where you can see the LBP 2900. All you need to do is you need to scroll down. Okay. And from here, you need to proceed with this one, which is Windows 64-bit LBP 2900 or either Windows 32-bit. So how you can check your operating system? All you need to do is you need to proceed at the button search bar, type for info. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match, which is your system information, would appear. Click on open, and once it's there, so that you would be able to bring up the system information, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the system type. So I can see it here. So there you can find out what operating system do you have. So either x32 or x64. So mostly PCs or laptops have x64 based operating system. So once you're good and once you have find it out, close the window and proceed to the link that is compatible or that is in accordance to your operating system. And since I have an x64-bit PC, then I'm gonna choose this first link. Click on it so that you can now start on the downloading, or so that you would be navigated to this download option. Click on it once again and wait until you would be redirected to the downloading of this application. So navigate to the upper right side of the screen. You can see their download icon. Click on it to check the download progress. And we're almost there actually. So once you're done, just have to click this folder icon so that you would be navigated to the location where it is being placed or saved to. So I can see it here. The next thing that you need to do is you need to click on this cut icon, close the window, as well as the browser, and you need to move it here at the desktop. So by that, please do a right click, go with this paste icon to paste it here. And once it is being pasted, then we need to move on to our next method. Our next method would be we need to unzip this file or extract it. So please do a right click. And from here in this window, you need to navigate on the bottom of that. You can see there WinRAR. Click on it and go with this extract to LBP 2900. Once you're good, you just have to wait until it will be extracted. And once it is being extracted, a new extracted file will be created. And this is the time that we need to navigate to our button search bar and try the installation of the printer driver. So navigate to the button search bar, type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear again. And once it's here, please click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that, click on Bluetooth and devices, and from here you need to scroll down and look for devices. So tap on it, and afterwards you need to scroll down, okay? Please scroll down and locate for this option called More Devices and Printer Settings. Wait until a new window would appear, which is our devices and printers. We're here, we just have to adjust the size first so that we can see all of that clearly. So once everything are set, please proceed at the upper left side of that. You can see there add a device and add a printer. And since the goal of this video is to add a printer driver, and that is the Canon LBP 2900, all you need to do is you need to click on it and proceed with this. The printer that I want isn't listed. Go with this one, which is the fifth option called add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. And from here, it will ask you to choose an existing port. Click this down arrow, and at the bottom of that you can see their USB port. Now the catch is you need to select any of these three. So no other than aside of this three. So it could be 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be selecting USB 001. Once it is being set here as the existing port, click on next and go with this have disk option. Go with browse, and this locate file window would bring up. So here, since our extracted file is being placed at the desktop, so please proceed at the left pane, click on desktop, and from here you need to scroll down and locate for LBP 2900. Double tap to it and go with this one x64. Double tapped, you can see there a folder named driver. Double tapped, and from here you would be able to see your driver. From here, click on open so that it will be added here. Click on OK, and it will show up Canon LBP 2900. Click on next. OK. Click on next once again. OK. Click on next. Once you're good, click on next. Click on finished. And here you have that you have just successfully installed the LBP 2900. Once you're good, you can now close the window, and that's it. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.